If you want to do screen recording on your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, you have to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, and here you'll see your screen recording. So open up this control panel, and this is your screen recording. First, before we start doing it, let's hold our finger on this icon and let's find our screen recording section. So you can choose whether you want to record sound or not. You can choose your non-media or media mic. You can have your selfie video size if you choose to record with your front camera, right? You can choose the video quality. You can show taps and touches if you need to, and also you can choose where to save your screen recordings. So to start a screen recording, let's tap on this icon. Now you can choose the record sound, right, and whether to show taps and touches. Now press start recording. Here is your countdown. And there we are. So this is our recording. Recording is going on. When you would like to stop it, also you can close this tab, of course. When you would like to simply pause it, tap on the pause icon. In order to stop it, tap on the stop icon. You can always find your screen recording in your gallery, albums, screen recordings, and screenshots. They're gonna be here all together, or in your recent tab. And basically that's it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.